na Outsparing Show en op VTFM.
Benarkah to all the listeners tuning in on VTFM this morning?
All right.
On Ouch Palangi Show, we say Atamani Yan Rabinaka and Bulvanaka. Welcome to Ouch Palangi Show.
Yeah.
Nabangar Talanga and Namataka Binaka Nikua, we came together na Lingri Rabi.
Right.
To all the drivers who are on their way to drop the passengers in different parts of the country. And Nabuguni Vakaka and Sigabina Nikua and Bidu the Sumana Sori corridor. We say Yan Rabinaka and welcome to this show this morning. As well as to all the drivers going down to the west, Nikua and Demis.
All right.
And Abu Bitoka ni Manasa Sabarana, Vitoli Kensar. Na Kambari ni Basi Manasa Sabarana, Nandi General, na Classic, na Lautoka General, na Pacific Transport,
Gori.
Kay na iyo. Vikabari Kensar.
Oh, yeah.
Ni Randi Matavinaka.
Right. Well, good morning to Wais Narusa.
Yeah.
The fella is a House of Pen leader.
Oi.
The House of Pen ring leader. Good morning to you and also to Okoya Naturangani Nangumuiwai may madwata.
Oh, yan Rabinaka.
There are two types of Nangumu.
Iyo.
Nangumuiwanua in Lutukina.
Iyo.
And another one is Nangumuiwai.
Oi.
One is in the forest.
Iyo.
One in the
sea.
In the beach.
Oi.
Yeah. This one is from the beach.
So Nangumiwa is an island or just beside the sea?
Beside the sea.
Beside the sea.
Yeah, and Nangumiwanua is a Vanua.
Arabenaka.
Ha.
Lumay puna and Vicky Breno Katan do Tete ni Samu Chikamay Pagayaw, Malumay puna na matang ko ni Henry Matavinaka. To all our friends tuning in or watching through our live broadcast this morning.
Oh.
We say Arabenaka and welcome to Ouch Palangi Show.
Who's a tangfu?
This one is the rabbit keeper, not the rabbit keeper. What you call it? The mini mongoose one.
Oh, the tortoise.
Not the tortoise, the rewangafala.
Oh, the guinea pig.
The guinea pig one. We say good morning to the boss of the guinea pig. And to Mr. Linganganga.
Oh, Linganganga.
A strong hand.
Oh, the hand that disappear inside the leg. And the leg disappear on the land.
Oi.
This one, okay, and the Linganganga, okay, and nanonaba.
Oh, okay. Right, the hand that disappear between the legs.
Right.
And the leg disappear
between the land. Yeah.
Oh.
And who's a tangfu from Sabubungali Televu?
Oh, Tabalamani. We say to Tabalamani, who is in Nangali now. Artungole na bugunin dora somati.
All right.
Dapat toko no to idili na matali ko. Osa watching gor bikim don na weka go may Nangali.
Iya.
Duyan Rabinaka. Oh, Tabaleng gori. Na kambe ni may bungali.
Sa kerkero ko be LT1230?
Ha?
Sa kerkero be LT1230?
Talingu. May nana nungo.
Right.
Sa chigo may dolong gori o tabale ama ni may sabu. Kerkero mo lomani ko sa Rabinaka.
Ko nakabita ni matim ning Jovi sina matim ni Nangali.
Don Rabinaka na motololo.
Nam.
Ni motololo. Rabinaka tadi ku daw sa na matali ko.
We bro ay sa kawaitana Andre all the way from Bua Kaba from Nausori. Joining this morning and also to the children, to everybody who are joining right now. They are moving from one vehicle to another for a double tap.
We were watching the photos yesterday. We see the beautiful farm. Some Binaka clean and ready to be planted. And the bugri jinja kini vi kataleson andalo. Correct. Don't Binaka mundo. Hey,
buli mo check up and Dunandamu. Dunandamu.
You're right.
The Red Eel, LH1668.
Right.
Thank you very much to Bismo the Wanga Sabu Sabu Navirea. Navirea, Paul Rainima, Naita Atu and Rabinaka. And everybody joining this morning.
LH, Sabuchuan Matalikua. LH Listaleka.
LH12880.
Dorobinaka. Bonabinaka will be talking and Mataka Vinaka Dikua. Louis Vitikasar and the Fiji diaspora. RB Seburura ni Andra ni Matavinaka.
To our Munra this one, Kalaseru and Ortoka Lingin Garabin Tambani Bokumbuka. To all the firefighters out there. Thank you very much for maintaining discipline throughout the smoking area. Where there is smoke, where there is fire, they are there. Before then, they used to give
the red truck will be there. Where there is smoke, the red truck will be there.
Will be there. Kalaseru, good morning.
Arabnaka ve Papa Dule or Faye or to my W housing and Mataka Vinaka Nico. Okay, our program this morning will feature the colors of the universe. Okay, Demis. different colors in the world okay. Bagaimana teman dari bali ni rokangon na damu sena red.
Red
Iya.
symbolize the blood.
Right. Boleh tunggu energy, passion, strength, love, and courage.
Right.
Bagaimana teman dia?
The red color is symbolize of blood.
Right.
The blood that wash away our sin.
Right.
The blood that connect our genetic.
Iya.
The blood that join our family tree.
Right.
The blood that give us the momentum of hemoglobin.
Right.
That fight against disease
Right.
from a white blood cell.
Iya.
That consists of the red. That's why you see a bull,
Yeah.
a cattle,
Yeah.
they run after men who are wearing red.
Yeah.
Because cattle knew it.
Iya.
Where there is red,
Yeah.
there is blood.
Wana now.
Iya.
Wana now.
Era kilato ira ni
Yeah.
raula ina ndamundamu
Yeah.
era idanan rambaleta
Yeah.
namate sabole kabira.
So we may wonder why they hate red.
Iya.
So this is the reason.
Yeah, because every occasion we does,
Iya.
we will kill the cattle. We will kill the bull.
So the bull, when he see the red,
Yeah,
of course, I have to go because this is my day.
this is my day.
I don't want this day to be my day.
Run after the red,
Yeah.
so red will be run after them.
Oh, yeah,
Era
okay.
didi.
Right.
That's why they
Yeah.
play around with the cattle using the red color.
Okay, the red color too symbolizes strength and love. Please
Yeah.
explain.
Because red,
Yeah.
if you see a love,
Yeah.
you see red.
The heart,
The heart is
Yeah.
red.
Kung emojis.
Valentine.
Valentine na
Yeah.
heart na red na love
The red is heart.
Iya.
If you open your body,
Iya. Sa.
kaya baka mo rin indo ng bulan ni tamatay loma.
Iya.
Tamata tambusakayan.
Yeah.
You will see the red. Blood is here.
Iya.
You'll never know.
You got no blood.
Who's that? If you see somebody with the blood,
Iya.
that shows love.
Oh, no, no.
Because where there is blood, there
Yeah.
is life.
Iya.
There is love.
Yeah.
You can only see love if
Yeah.
somebody is alive.
Encourage as well.
Encourage everybody to encourage them to be part of a relationship. You can connect someone's love
Yeah.
to be in a relationship if there is no blood in a red color.
Wanana buto sa toso.
May.
The meaning of the color blue. Okay, with the chingo,
Iya.
calmness and trust.
Really?
Ito ba?
The blue
Yeah.
symbolizes the deepest.
Okay.
Is the deepest feeling of salote moso.
Iya, iya, iya.
Iya.
Yeah.
And also,
Yeah.
alam ko na kenapa paling kenapa mata?
Calmness, what kira trust.
Trust.
Iya.
Blue,
Iya.
when there is you see blue,
Hmm.
you see the sea.
Like you wearing blue today.
Huh? It's blue. If you see the sea,
This one no trust.
if you see the sea,
Yeah.
you see the blue. You trust a sea
Yeah.
that if you see, there is very small land
Iya, iya, iya.
in the world.
Iya.
There is so 80% of the universe
Yeah.
is contributed by the sea.
Yeah.
There is blue.
Right.
You see the sea, they respect the land.
Sometimes when the seas come,
Is come,
yeah.
they respect.
Yeah.
They will know their boundaries.
Iya.
They will come, the mga kelis,
Right.
because they respect
The land.
the land.
Oh, no, thems. And blue also signifies peace and loyalty.
Huh?
Peace but can loyalty tama.
Yeah. Peace, they symbolize.
What about peacekeepers got the blue?
Blue, that's why they're wearing blue.
Yeah.
Because of the peace.
Yeah.
And the loyalty,
Yeah.
they doing the process every day. High tide,
Yeah.
low tide.
Right.
The blue, if you see the cloud, is
Yeah.
blue.
Yeah.
That symbolize peace.
One
They
another.
symbolize loyalty.
Yeah.
If you lie to your partner,
Yeah.
if you lie in your relationship,
Right.
if you lie to your uncle,
Yeah.
if you lie to Nganji,
Right.
if you lie to everybody, please maintain the cloud is blue.
Yeah.
So man means loyalty.
Satellite.
Satellite is a microscope.
Okay, the meaning of the color yellow. Well, it's
Yellow.
happiness and positivity.
If you see a yellow fruits,
Yeah.
symbolize positivity.
Right.
Symbolize the fruitful
Yeah.
and multiply.
One
If you see the yellow color,
Yeah.
must have it to be Israeli is a house teacher yellow from the cinema ko in Ratuluke.
Yeah, see?
Master
All connected.
all connected. Is joining this morning. See? Must have it to be Israeli. All the way from Sigatoka Methodist.
Yeah.
Now,
Yeah.
when you see yellow,
Yeah.
yellow means ripe,
Right.
means ready,
Ready.
means possibilities,
Yeah.
means something that is connected to a body
Yeah.
that within us Nindo nakasan romon binaka sambuta.
Iya.
Nindo nakain sama tua binaka.
Kaci,
You see an romo.
Iya.
You see a life.
Iya.
You see a connectivity.
Iya. And also positivity, warmth, and energy.
They give energy.
Iya.
That's why
Iya.
we call the eldest is a Romo.
Like Momoil.
Like
Okay, okay, let's move on to black. Okay, power, mystery, and elegance. Ito lungan na kaya, madal takin na kalang or black.
The black, if you see black,
Yeah.
you see the power.
Right.
The power of taking a breath out from the body.
Uy.
That's why we wear black during a grief.
Reng.
Yeah. During a funeral.
Yeah.
We wear black when we go for wala tala mi.
Yeah.
When we go for occasions.
Yeah.
To symbolize
Yeah.
the darkest.
Yeah. One now. Okay. White. Purity, peace, and clarity.
Clarity to clarify you
Yeah.
in a CV virtual
Yeah.
statue.
One now. Toto ko siya. What purity?
Purity,
Yeah, something pure.
something pure.
Yeah.
White is pure.
Yeah.
If you see a white color in any color,
Yeah.
there is a pure life of eternity.
What about the owner of the guinea pig? The fellow too is white.
All right.
Yeah.
He is white in color,
Yeah.
but very black in day.
Black engineer. Ya benar kaya nonton roka kira kira balik-balik
Iya.
na matang di kuah.
Mbol bina tinailina pa nini bina luming karay from all the way from Lautoka and also to Ben Nandore,
Yeah.
Dobi Nawudi,
Yeah.
Chimisuka and
The
Rekeke.
guinea pig are white.
Yeah.
So the 4 guinea pigs are white.
Yeah.
And the owner too is white.
Is white.
Yeah.
So we put them together.
Yeah.
They are whitish black.
Oi, sekali ano binaka Dobi Nawudi.
Okay.
Ben Nandore ano binaka Jimmy ano binaka.
Isa.
Bor binaka ni kimini wakata bito kan bulma yana matang di kuah kira duit takan ni na maru tagi chicken na nonda bisi mati na mona libu matake dai. Apa bulu chicken na kian na tibu binaka chicken nonda songo. Se tibu binaka chicken nonda sigin garabi tabi kata and singo binaka ni kuah. Kira sana mai tataw ke?
Iyo.
Medo tal na matake Ben Nandore. Isa Emma Unga Ben na isa. Matake bilay senia wais na rusa. Pagadu binaka bi kimuli kita sar sigumai. Ana matake binaka ko. Medo na matake